Martin gone straight through as well. Guy Martin, let's get the lap time up on the board. That's Michael Rutter, next man on the road. Number 4, wow, then 2 through, quick as that. There's also Dan Dean, Guy Martin. James Hillier, number 2, 126.1. And Michael Rutter, 125.233. Then Dan Dean, 124.746. For Ian Hutchinson, 17 minutes 41.430. We did say it'd be about 126, 127, and we were right.
Yeah, well, you've got to remember that's a standing start lap as well, so the next lap will be...
That Dean Harrison time, let's the speed, let's give it that 124. Gonna be busy, that's William Dunlop, and they're gonna make a few change officials to say it is. James Hillier, 126.108. Connor Cummins has gone through at 125.889. These are Superbike times. Davy Johnson on the lead in Super.